It's such a full-on experience day, guys. We're at day 2 Computex and exploring this place on 4th floor. We are here at Game DS booth. Game DS has some beautiful products lined up. Let's quickly head inside, speak with the guy over there and check out what's new launching at Computex. So guys, this is the booth I was talking about. Hi Amit bhai, how are you?
How are you?
Good man.
Yeah,
it's like
hi.
great,
You are
meeting our
also in
local guys
Computex.
over here. Yeah.
Hi.
So Amit bhai, what is happening at your place? Can you talk about the brand new product launches and all the cases and stuff displayed over here?
I will explain you. So this is the new product we are going to launch in June next month.
Okay.
This is the Nesso P1.
Okay.
In the same variant in a black.
Wow.
Okay. Same you can come this side.
Guys, look at the whole design over here. It
can
looks
see this one.
beautiful. I mean, look at the
It's a
whole
premium range of case we are going to launch in next month.
very beautiful and premium cases. The whole tempered glass panels and also the whole components on the inside look very nice. Available in both colors, black and white.
We have
Nowadays
some
called as
other
Neepo.
colors also. I can show you.
Oh,
Please.
other colors as well. Oh, black and red.
Yeah, black and red is also in this variety.
Beautiful design.
You can open this here. It's a normal switch. You can open it up and you can see the details.
Click of a button and bam.
Yeah.
Nice. So we've got like new cases.
Yeah, this
and-
is the new cases. This is already launched in India.
Yes. This is Athena. I
And
think we also
yeah.
made like a gaming PC with this case on our channel.
And it's moving very fast in India, very fast.
Achha, by the way, what's the price of this thing, roughly?
We have not decided right now, but the Indian price, it will be 12,000 plus around.
12,000. As I've told you, it's like a
Yeah.
premium lineup case from Game DS, so definitely you can
For
keep
the
an eye out for
tasty
that.
price I'm talking about. I'm not talking about the end users.
Yeah.
We are talking about the tasty only.
Okay.
So this case, it's already launched
Okay.
and moving fast in India, very fast.
Yes. We've already like made videos
And
also.
this is
on that.
you can see the customized display. You can see that this is the.
Wow. Look at this. So this is Game DS brand new AIO that comes with LCD display, fully configurable, guys. So what can you do over here with the display?
This
Oh,
is the only
one.
for the temperature manage.
Okay.
And this one is the customized. You can pictures, display whatever you want. You can display here.
So guys, this is Game DS Chion. This one is P3 and this one is called as M4. Both are 360mm variants over here. So this particular variant, the M4, features like a fully real-time monitoring system. You can check out the CPU's temperature, all your these sort of geeky sort of stuff. And on the P3, you can actually put on your own customizable GIF files, pictures, or maybe like small video clips. And this is how it looks like. Beautiful sort of AIO design, guys. It even has like ambient RGB lighting just behind the display. Like pretty cool stuff.
And it's already launched in India.
Yeah.
And
the Gurius series.
yeah,
I know
right,
this.
you
I
know
know
very
this.
well.
Yeah.
So now we have a 720. Okay. This is the variant of 720.
Can I hold it?
Yeah. It's a
Look
heavy.
at the size of this thing, guys. Jumbo air cooler for all your meaty and powerful CPU needs.
So now come this side. So in our next plan, we are going to launch the Gold Series power supply.
Okay.
In the 12,000 and 1300.
1300.
Both we are going to launch.
80 plus rated Helios series, 1300G power supply, guys. Brand new
And
models.
G means gold.
Gold.
This
gold
is the
rated.
gold.
Yeah.
This is the gold.
Nice. Any PCI Gen 5 this year? Power supplies?
Yeah. We
Coming,
have a
I think
plan.
upcoming.
Yeah, upcoming.
Yes. So you can
We
keep
have a
an eye
plan
out for
on
that
that
also.
Yeah. This is the also we are going to launch the wireless.
Oh, look at the design.
So
Very
this
compact.
variant already in India is the Hermes E3. We
Yes.
have upgraded this one. This is the hybrid.
Nice. 60%, right?
Yeah, 60% hybrid.
Beautiful, right? Wireless. So is it like multi-platform compatible?
Yeah.
Multi-platform.
Yes.
Superb.
And same with the wireless headphone. No any headphones in India till date for the Game DS wireless, and end users are demanding for the wireless. So now we have
Everybody
this
is
one.
like wireless only.
Yeah, now this is the wireless we have. We are going to launch soon.
New model wireless gaming headset from
And
Game.
for the
And
streamer-
man, I have to say it's like super lightweight.
Yeah, it's a very lightweight.
I didn't expect that. Full on cushiony and lightweight. Wow.
And this is the mic, already launched in India, and
Podcast mic.
yeah, customized. The name is the Fimi.
Fimi.
Yeah.
Fimi M1 podcast microphone. Oh, this is what I was talking about. PCIe Gen 5. It's already available at display over here.
The same, the box packaging.
Same one.
Yeah, the box
Okay,
packaging is there.
Nice. So Game DS is like all set for 2023 with all these brand new launches. But yeah, I have to say, look at the whole case
full
design
of-
over here. Very
this is the same
premium and
case.
looks beautiful. I
And this
like this
screen.
black and white color.
Yeah. And now this fan is also we are going to launch. This is a Daisy series.
Oh, Daisy.
Daisy chain.
Daisy chain fans.
Yeah.
I think this is the first time Game Gear
Yeah,
has a Daisy chain model,
right?
right?
Right.
So Daisy chain gives you like very convenient, guys. Less number of cables, much more easier to work with.
And now this is the all variety of coolers, liquid coolers,
Oh,
CPU
full-on
coolers,
display, huh?
everything.
Check out the models over here. I think this one we've already
Yeah,
covered.
Chioni
This is a
P3 already you have
Chioni
reviewed.
M3. Yes,
Yeah.
yes. I've reviewed this. That is a new model M4.
Yeah, this one is a new model.
I've
and
shown
this
you
too.
just now, guys.
This one already launched in India.
Yes,
Yeah.
P3.
And this is the same cooler.
This is the same M4 which I showed you just now. 240 edition is also available.
Yeah.
And these are again the same Boreas series air coolers.
This is the Boreas
720,
series, the total Boreas
620, 610, like from massive biggest size to all the way up to like affordable category, guys. You get both RGB editions, non-RGB
Normal
editions.
RGB also.
So सब है आपके budget में जो भी you want, it's available
And this
here.
is the packaging details, how we can package.
Nice man. I'm like enjoying this place over here.
Yeah,
Checking
thanks.
out this.
Now see the thermal paste we are going already launch stage and it's moving good.
XC5, XC3 thermal
XC3.
paste. Thermal conductivity.
Backside you can see the details.
Yeah. You can check out all the details over here. Thermal conductivity is 6W. Viscosity is 95. Nice.
And this is already the budget
these
series.
are all our regular
you know
cases.
very well about
yes.
it. Yeah.
The Talos
so
series.
I'm talking about the Daisy Chan fans. They are here.
Okay, so these are the new Daisy chain fans which we are talking about. They were displayed in the cabinets behind us. So as I've told you guys, very easy, less number of cables because they are like Daisy chain. So you only have to connect like 2 cables, one for the RGB, one for the fan header. Super convenient to work with, available in white edition, black edition, however you want to go for with your PC. Depends on your modding and taste.
Come this side, and this is the.
Oh, more stuff!
it is.
Look at this!
Now for this streamer we have the webcam also.
Okay.
This one.
Webcam, nice.
Yeah.
There's also a ring lighting.
Yeah, ring lighting with the.
Is it a
camera.
1080p webcam?
We have to see because the
I think there are
features
so many more.
Yeah,
This one, yes.
Just
So,
we are going to launch.
yeah,
so we
this
can
is
see
a
the
brand
details.
new 1080p webcam only at 60 FPS and offers like zero distortion lens. Plus, you're getting like a ring light as well, fully adjustable using touch controls.
So no need to extra lighting you require. It's enough for your streaming.
Very useful for streamers out there because it's like super convenient. Everything in one, and on top of that, touch controls for the ring lighting. What more do you need? What will be the price of this thing? I'm pretty sure a lot of people will be looking for this.
No idea about it because we have not launched
TBD.
yet. We'll update you.
Usually, most of the stuff happening at Computex now, prices will be announced at a later part only. That was
We'll
expected.
update you soon.
Yes, I'll leave the details in
And,
the description.
This is the headphones varieties, all.
Nice. So, a couple of them I've already seen.
Yeah, already you have reviewed this.
Yes.
I think.
Yes, Hebe. E3.
E3 you have
I think I've
reviewed.
also reviewed.
And this one has new launch. We have.
Yes,
you can
this
see.
we've seen wireless gaming headset over there. The same one.
And this is the combo budget series power
Aries.
supply Aries P2.
New model.
Yeah, it's not a new model, but there is a old, but now it's a moving.
Okay. So this is
And
like quite
now we
popular
have
in that
a
series.
power supply in a white variant also.
Look at this.
Now you can
RGB
see
power
this one.
supplies. White edition.
White edition.
Nice.
White edition we are going to launch first time in India.
Nice.
So this is
There's nothing that can go wrong with RGB. Nice, beautiful. Nice collection, man.
Yeah.
Nice. So guys, which product did you like from GameDS at their brand new booth over here? Let me know in the comment section down below. So guys, this is Gaurav from Allway Distribution. Hi Gaurav, how are you?
I'm good. How
So
are you?
Gaurav, why don't you talk about your brand and just give like a short introduction.
Yeah. So hi everyone. I'm Gaurav. I'm taking care of Allway Distribution, which takes care of all GameDS distribution in Pan India. So in terms of product, there are many more new products are coming soon. Premium quality, mid-range, everything. So we already launched coolers with display 360 cooler, 240 cooler, both we have. The response from each and every city from India is very good. Customer, they really liked our products, and we are coming up with more new series, more new products. So hope we will touch the premium segment as well soon.
Yeah, I'll leave all the details about them in the description box below.
this is the new model for the top radiator 360. The people are demanding the GameDS is not coming the top radiator 360 support radiator.
This is a full-on ATX size cabinet.
So you can open like normally,
Nice.
and the fan you can 360
we are also getting like 2 RGB fans pre-built with the case.
Yeah.
Nice.
ARGB.
ARGB.
Everything is a ARGB. This already
Nice.
you know, already you have a review, I think, this one.
Yes, that I have already done. Yes.
So this one we are going to launch, this one.
Nice. This too, as I've told you, we've already done like a full PC with this thing. And white
This is the
edition
white
also.
variant.
This also I think I've seen. Or
Yeah,
it's-
you have.
I
I
have
think
seen
you have
this,
already
yes.
reviewed.
Yes.
And this
Hey,
is the
this is like a very popular case with our budget PCs. I used it so many times.
and this one is the white edition.
Yes, white edition.
And the
same
keyboards are there, up there.
thing. Yes.
That's it. This is the
Hey,
this.
cheers! Game these
And
chairs.
the chairs, you can see these chairs.
Okay, I wanna sit on it
You
and
can
see.
check. The 3 models are there. You can check all.
Okay. New models, right? I haven't seen this
Yeah, it's the
before.
first time. Yeah, it's, before the leather are coming. This is the the cushion
Fabric.
is very good quality.
This is fabric, right?
You can change. This is the mode. Yeah, sorry.
Okay. So that is how easy it is.
You can
to-
remove it.
Oh,
You can
nice.
fix it.
Yeah. So that is how it works.
It's
So like
easy.
full on comfortable, guys. I've sat on the chair. Experience is
And
like
as per your head, you can manage this one.
yeah, as per your head, height, everything you can adjust and
Same this
enjoy
one
the
also.
experience. ठीक है, it's very nice, comfortable I would say. So since it's fabric, right, you won't sweat that much also. That's one plus point.
So this is all the products details.
Nice, man.
Thanks to coming booth.
Arey, nahi,
Yeah,
nahi,
yeah.
I had a great time. It's my pleasure, you guys inviting me over here. So they have like an experience zone as well,
Yeah.
full on setup and ready with the fully configured PC. Anybody coming to Computex can sit over here, experience game
You
dev
can see the
system.
premium case there, but you have enough size.
Yes.
Yeah, to manage all the stuff.
You can come
there.
here, experience all the products and have fun and check out their place.